this is Coach Carolyn with Power to Move. Today I'm here with my son Jonathan, and we're just going to bring you a few fun ideas and tips for healthy eating in some of the warm summer months. So one of the first things we're going to start off with are cucumbers. I love to eat cucumbers. They have a high water content, so they're really good for hydrating, especially in these warm summer months. So the first thing we have is we cut our cucumber. First we washed it and sliced it into slices, and then we placed turkey slices and cheese and just stuck a little toothpick through the top. So those are nice and fun and little and very portable. You can make a little plate of them and leave them in the refrigerator and just pop them in your mouth anytime, or take them outside and eat them. We also have little sandwiches that we made, again, using our cucumber slices. We have an everything bagel dip, and it has low-fat cream cheese. It's supposed to have sour cream in it. I used plain Greek yogurt. I like to substitute that instead. Get a little extra protein. It's a little healthier for you. And then everything bagel seasoning. So I'll link to that recipe for that dip in there. And that's a fun dip you can use for a lot of dip. You can use it for vegetable slices, and it tastes really good, and that's another healthy snack alternative. Placing maybe pepper strips and celery and carrot sticks into a cup with some of the dip down at the bottom. Take that outdoors, and it's just as portable as some of the processed snacks that everyone seems to grab in the summer because they are so much easier. So I'm just trying to give you some fun, healthy ideas here today. So moving on to the fruit, we have just little fruit kebabs. You can add whatever fruit that you have in your house, add your favorites. I didn't have any melon today, but we have, what are these, John? Strawberries?
Strawberries.
What's that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. We've got cherries, apples, some raspberries. The blueberry's a little more difficult to get on there, so I didn't use that. John, do you want to make your own and start putting some strawberries and other fruit on yours? Go from the top. The only thing is you just need to be careful with the pointy end of the stick, so no running, and make sure you're supervising if anyone's going to be taking those out. So while John is doing that, go ahead and push it in. There we go. So they're nice and easy. Push it all the way down. Put some pineapple on maybe next. There, right there. So those are really fun to make, fun to eat. The kids can make them and put them on a plate in the refrigerator and just have them to grab and go. And so then the next fun snack that we're gonna make for summer is, I used a waffle cone, and we're gonna take, you could either just fill this with fruit and then you have a nice portable edible container for your fruit, or if you want to make a little parfait, we've got some Greek yogurt here that I added cinnamon to. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put some of that into the cone. All right, Jonathan, you can go ahead and finish that up and help me make this cone, okay? Go ahead and just put that down. There we go. Can you add some strawberries in here? So John's going to add a layer of strawberries. Yeah, and another one. And then I'm going to put in a little bit more yogurt. And then how about blueberries next? Can you add the blueberries next? And you just continue layering it, filling it with other fruits. I've got raspberries here as well. So, and some cherries. Very healthy, a lot of fun. And like I said, it's completely portable, completely edible. There's no packaging that you have to worry about throwing away. So it's perfect for summertime and eating on the go and outside in the warm weather. Our last idea that we're going to go ahead and show you. John, can you get the popsicles out of the freezer? We made homemade popsicles. So I know a lot of the popsicles at the store, you can get healthy ones, but a lot of those ones that we're so familiar with everyone eating in the summer, they have a lot of dye in them and things that probably aren't the best for us. So that's why it's so good to make them at home, and you can control what goes into them. So try and look for a natural juice or sparkling water, whatever fits your taste and that you like. And you can go ahead. I ordered these from Amazon, and they're pretty fun. It's just a silicone popsicle mold. They sell them at the stores as well. So look around, see what kind you like. We actually have, let's see, go ahead and put some of the strawberries and blueberries in here. So put them in here. So let's take some of the fruit. So we added extra fruit to ours to just give a little bit of a boost for our fruit intake for each day. Go ahead, John. Let's add some. There we go. So we just put those into the molds, and then I added a natural strawberry lemonade that I purchased. And you just fill the molds. And then, here you go, John. You want to help put the tops in? And then you just put the sticks in for the popsicle, and you'll put them in the freezer for a few hours until they're frozen solid. There we go. And this is what that's good, John. This is what they look like when they are all done. These I froze yesterday so that I'd have them finished for you. So that's the finished product. Go ahead, you hold that one, John. And also something that you can do, a lot of people love to infuse their water during the summer with fresh fruits. It makes it taste a little bit better. It's very refreshing. Cucumber in your water is good as well. So you could also make ice cubes that have cut up fresh fruit and cucumbers in it, a little bit of lemon maybe as well, to add to your water bottle, and then that way it's keeping it cold as well as infusing those wonderful flavors into your water throughout the day. So these were just a few tips. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you got some great ideas. We hope to see you soon. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great ideas and exercise videos, and we'll see you soon.